In the material interface, press the M button to access the manual leveling and the XYZ calibration interface. Click the leveling icon. When doing a manual leveling, the main operation is to do the 4 points measurement on the build plate with a filler gauge with a 0.2 mm thickness. Use the knobs located below the build plate to move it up and down, and make sure the distance between the nozzle and the build plate is the same for the 4 points. Please note that the manual leveling should only be done through the left nozzle. Make sure that the build plate and chamber are perfectly clean to prevent any interference with the leveling operation. After the 4 points on the build plate are adjusted for the first time, Redo to 5 button will be displayed on the screen. Press this button to repeat the leveling. After the second manual leveling, press the Finish button. The build plate will then go down and go up again. The manual leveling is finished. The second step will be the Z calibration. Press the Z calibration icon and make sure the build plate is clean. Calibrate the left nozzle first by following the instructions on the screen. Insert the gauge between the nozzle and the glass build plate, then make an approximate and more precise tuning with the Z buttons, so that the distance between the nozzle and the glass build plate just fits the insertion of the gauge. Press the next button after tuning is completed. The right nozzle calibration will be done with the exact same operation. After the left nozzle tuning is done, press the OK button to finish the Z calibration. The third step will be the XY calibration. Press Next to start printing the calibration model. The printer will successively print the model scale with the left nozzle and the right nozzle. After completion, click the Next button. The print head will move to the top left corner of the build plate. Read the scales to get the X offset and Y offset value respectively, and select the best aligned pairs of lines. For a more detailed explanation, please refer to the user manual.